Hey guys, today I'll be doing something a little bit different. I'll be unboxing something that I did not buy, but that my company gave me. I work for the company Godaddy, and for those of you who don't know, Godaddy is a company that's been around since the 90s. Their primary business for a very long time was to provide consumers and businesses a way to register their domains online. For people who want to set up their own website, they usually go through GoDaddy. And GoDaddy is one of the biggest domain name providers and hosters. And it's been that way for, 20 years now. GoDaddy's been around for a while, but recently I've joined their team, and part of what my team does is provide a payment system for businesses and consumers. They recently acquired a company called Point, and through Point, they're going to be competing essentially with Square and Shopify and those type of companies to set up a point of sale system to merchants. What I have here is basically the product for that. And this is the first company I worked for that actually sells its own physical product. So all the other companies I worked for basically are all software only companies, right? Even Walmart sells other people's products. So they never actually sold their own product. GoDaddy is the first company I worked for that actually sells their own product. And this is the Point system, Point and Point Smart Terminal. So I believe if you buy them from Point or GoDaddy, we're actually labeling ourselves GoDaddy Payments now. But if you buy these just off of GoDaddy, it's about $250 US. I got these for free, of course, because I'm a GoDaddy developer. And I'm just gonna show you guys what's inside these. So this is a Point Smart Terminal. So let's open up, see what's inside. This is basically going to be used by merchants, and I basically need these because I'm developing for this kind of system. So this is the Point Smart Terminal. As you can see, I'm sure everyone has seen these, various stores, right? You've used them, something like this, right? Whether it's by Shopify, Square, another one of these point of sale systems. I'm sure you guys have seen these in different merchant stores. Square I think has the simplest one, where you just some of them even plug it into their own phone or iPad and you just swipe it through that. But this is actually a point of sale terminal, and it's a lot more, I guess, fully featured than just plugging something into your phone. So I can see there's a camera here. I think these may be microphones. The card reader right here, and you got like a touch display here, another touch display here on the side. I guess this would be for the customer, and that'll be for the merchant, I guess. And then we've got more accessories actually you can attach here. This is actually where the receipt, I think, goes. This is where the paper receipt goes. And then there's a power button here. So the Point Smart Terminal, it's assembled in China, designed by Point in California, originally a California company. You get a lot of accessories for that. What else do we get here? So this is originally for businesses. Normally consumers probably won't buy this kind of stuff, but I just want to do an unboxing for this anyways. Okay, so this is some kind of dock thing and a charger. Okay, so we get a charger. Got a dock with, looks like, modem jack. Is that a modem jack? We got Ethernet, modem jack, interesting. USB 2, I'm guessing, and adapter power here. So I'm guessing you connect it like this. Connect it like this, line up. It's pretty cool, actually. It's the first time I'm unboxing a product from my own company, so that's an interesting feeling. And then this is the GoDaddy Point Smart Terminal, other box here. Let's see what's in here. This looks like the same thing almost, except it's like an updated version. I think this is the one from Point, and then this is the upgraded version, the newer version from GoDaddy, which is now is going to rebrand to GoDaddy Payments. So there's basically one that's branded with Point, which is the original business that GoDaddy bought, and then this is the actual one from GoDaddy that's been rebranded and it's been upgraded, I'm guessing. So I guess this is the card reader here. You no longer have this thing sticking out, and still webcam, It's got a bigger display, as you can see, and bigger display on both sides, looks like. And then you still got the smart contact terminals here. You got a smart pay, yeah, a tapper here where you can tap your card. This is again where the paper rolls load in. The on button's still in the same place, and now it's branded with GoDaddy instead of Point. So yeah, now it's called a GoDaddy Point Smart Terminal. So this one's been branded with the GoDaddy logo on it. So every day is payday with GoDaddy. So now this one comes with a quick start guide. So let's see, I'm gonna have to set this up and yeah, try to develop my stuff on it. Okay. Put the roll in the paper, okay. And I'm guessing this will come with that similar type of dock as well. Of course, the packaging is better for this one because this is the newer GoDaddy branded one. Of course, GoDaddy has more money than Point does. Before they acquired them, Point was a startup. Yeah, GoDaddy's a more bigger business. So yeah, here is the dock. This is the same one that Point had. So this one is branded with Point, and this one is the GoDaddy logo. So this is a newer one. So I'm guessing it's going to dock the same way. So this one's GoDaddy logo, and it's got the same ports here: a modem jack, Ethernet port, 2 USB ports instead of 1. So this one, actually, I think the other one does have 2 as well. Okay, this one has a USB port on the side. I forgot. So it has 2 USB ports actually, one on the side here. So yeah, this one also has 2, but it moves it to the back instead of the side, and a USB-C port instead of the barrel jack charger here. So that's definitely an upgrade. You can now use a USB-C. So yeah, and then so you get a charger here, a USB-C charger now. Of course, you don't need this proprietary charger anymore. Now you have a USB-C charger. Now you get a bigger roll of paper. So yeah, you can charge it with any USB-C device. So this definitely, the GoDaddy branded one is newer, and it's been upgraded. So yeah, that's the one I'm probably going to be using. I think they sent me 2 because some customers are still using the old one, so I still need to do some development work on the old one as well. And then the newer customers are going to be using the GoDaddy branded one. So I'm guessing that's why I have 2. I guess I'll be doing development work for both. Yeah, so yeah, this is the GoDaddy branded one, and then this is the older Point branded one. And yeah, I guess I'll be mostly developing for this one now because it's the newer one, but then some existing customers are still using the older one, so I still have to be using this one for debugging purposes as well. So that's it. The unboxing of the GoDaddy Point Smart Terminal. Yeah, it's an interesting feeling. This is the first product that I've used that my own company sells. It's pretty interesting, although I'm not a business, but obviously small businesses will really, if they really want to, grow their business, then this will be quite useful for customers coming to the store. It's easier for them to pay and everything. All right, so I have my GoDaddy terminal all set up and running. So yes, I just pressed the power button on the back here, simple as that. I actually loaded loaded my paper in there. So we're gonna test that out. And once you boot it up, it looks like this. This is the name of my company I just made up, Smart Terminals Inc. So just for testing purposes, you have terminal, which you can use to plug in your credit card and charge something. Then you have transactions, and I just tested a bunch of transactions myself. So they see a bunch of $1, that's my testing. Register right here, you can add an item to begin an order, and then it's kind of like a cash register. And manual entry, actually I'm going to test out the manual entry for you guys. You see how it works. Apps, so you can actually download a whole bunch of apps here for this terminal. GoDaddy has an ecosystem, so you do that. Catalog, you can add items to a catalog. Yeah, so yeah, create your own category. You can select existing, create new, add a SKU to it. If you're a merchant, yeah, I guess you would know what you're selling here. Products, you can have a name, search by SKU as well. You can do that. And then help is self-explanatory. Invoices, right? This would be a list of Upgrade. Okay, I'm not on the premium plan yet. Calculator. I think he just have like a basic Android calculator app right here. And then I can go back here. And point accessories, which this printer is actually an accessory. It's counted as one. And then you can do your settings here with your payments, business settings, business info. So I put my business settings, enable SMS receipt, email receipts, paper receipts. This user's contact details, right? So this is my fictional address here, assigned to me. I'm a fictional merchant. Yeah, business info. It's just for testing, of course. Store. All right, and I'm hooked up to my Wi-Fi and everything. All right, and then on the other side, this is what gets shown to the end user here. Welcome to Smart Terminals, and then the user slides in their credit card. So yeah, and this is to scan your QR code and stuff. There's a camera built in to scan your QR code to set up your store. So yeah, I'm not going to use the terminal right now. That requires me to actually swipe my credit card. So I'm not going to do that just for testing. I mean, we're going to do manual entry here. So I'm going to enter a fake credit card. So I'm going to charge a fake credit card, let's say in the amount of $1 here. And card number, I can put in my fake credit card number. This is a fake Visa. I think a lot of testers know about this. You can also do 41111 or whatever, it works as well. Some expiry date in the future, random CCV, bill and zip code. I don't have to put in a street number, and those pay charge. And then I'll enter my email address. gmail.com, and then this can be any number. Yeah. And once you continue, then your test transaction has completed. Now we can actually print something here, and I think you should actually print something. Yeah, here we go. It's actually printing something, my receipt, and this is my test receipt right here. And yeah, you can see I've charged $1. Yay, to Smart Terminals Incorporation. That's my fake merchant name. And at the bottom, I put in like a little note here. Hi, this is Tong. Thank you for purchasing this item. Thank you. So I can put in my little test note here, and yeah, in my little terminal. And this is how I'm gonna debug it. Actually, I'm gonna have to like hook it up to my the way I do debugging is I have to hook it up to my computer and, you know, scan the logs and stuff like that. But yeah, this is a nice little note right here just to make sure that that it's working, that my whatever I'm doing on my dashboard is syncing correctly to this terminal. So I put in some changes on my dashboard and it's synced correctly. So yeah, that's really cool, right? It actually prints out physical paper. Or yes, I work for a company that makes physical devices, finally. Yeah, so cool, right? Anyways, yeah, that's using the Godaddy terminal. Yep, first time I get to use yeah, something that's physical that my company made, and it's pretty cool. I mean, yes, I hope that this will take over, and eventually as I work on it, hopefully more and more merchants will start using the Godaddy terminal, or the Point terminal, as it was previously called. So that's it, guys. Let me know if you have any questions about the Godaddy terminal, because I am officially a Godaddy developer. And let me know if you want to, if you're interested in using it, or if you are using it and you want, you know, if you have some questions about the device, or if you have any like comments about the features or any bugs you want to report. That's it. Thanks for watching.